This is the new Tracker4 Avalanche Transceiver from BCA. With the Tracker4, we've combined the indestructible physical features of the Tracker2 with the sophisticated electronics of the Tracker3. Big, bright, real-time LED display. So fast, you'll never feel like you're falling behind. The rubberized protective overmolding provides grip and long-term durability. Signal suppression allows you to suppress the strongest signal for 1 minute and move to the next victim. In a multi-victim scenario, the T4 is the best in the business at real-time locking and unlocking on the strongest signal, so you can never walk past a nearby victim. Big Picture Mode shows you the distance and direction to all transmitting signals within range. A good overview of the rescue scenario is crucial in making smart and informed decisions. Do you or your partner start digging, or do one of you keep searching? Big Picture will help you understand the scene and make the right call. Auto Revert Mode uses a motion sensor to switch the unit back to transmit mode if you get caught in an avalanche while searching. The USB port inside the battery compartment can be used to update your transceiver software. This is Tracker4, all the speed and ease of use you've come to love from Tracker, now with a bold new display and rugged new case. Always remember to practice using your transceiver regularly. Simplicity is fast. Practice is even faster.